Okay, back on the top end here. So we're going to assemble up the heads now. We got all the machine work done last night or this morning, I guess. So we're starting on it again. So I got everything all cleaned up. We're going to put all the same valves and stuff back in. We'll put new valve seals on it and assemble it up and get the motor together. Got guys in the back making noise, so they're working on some pile of crap twin cam motor back there. So we'll ignore those for now. So take a little Loctite sleeve retainer, put that on the valve guide surfaces here where the seal goes, not in the guide. Yeah. Get our assembly lube next. Scooby, what's your problem down there? Scooby's helping me today. Not sure what he's doing. He's waiting for me to help him do something, I guess. Maybe he wants to play. Probably does. Okay, which head is this one? This is the rear head. The rear head gets rear valves. And it's thin. Feels like a knife. Okay.
2 more towels, Tatro.
Towels are hanging on the rack back there. Quit using my towels up.
Oh fuck! I knew I should have brought towels.
Yeah, bring your own crap. There's a yellow one on the bottom of the bench out there. Use that one.
Right.
Okay, let's see, what am I doing? Valve seals. I already forgot what I was doing. If somebody wants this clean towels, bring your own. Mine are all dirty. Okay, that goes down. Got my seal driver. Knock her on down a little bit. Ooh, my hammer. Hammer got interrupted there. When it feels to stop, put a beating on it. When you go too deep, it breaks the seal. Seal should have drag on it, like that. There you go. So that's ready to go together. Do our next one. What are you looking for now?
Huh?
What do you want now?
No, we're gonna put it on the jack outside.
But what outside?
We're gonna put her up on the rack
What?
to put the motor in.
What are you talking about?
After we're done with that, when you put the case back, we're gonna put it on top of the.
We're not putting the motor together right now. Wait until I get ready. So you get about 3 hours, unless you interrupt me.
Yeah. That's what we're here for.
I'm going to put the motor together in a little bit. I'm going to turn everything all up and look at it. It's not ready to go back together yet. Okay. They're rushing me. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? Interruptions. All the way. Make sure they're tight. Make sure they stick. Like that. We're good. Alright. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and assemble up the valve springs. Oh. Okay, we're on the front head, front spring. Hey, dumbass. Put the lower collar on there next time. Too many interruptions. So we just lay the valve keepers in here like this. Like that. Gravity helps you. Boom, that one's in. This one, some dumbass didn't put all the parts in. Not sure who that was. Don't forget the lower collar. Goes over the guide like that. Then you put the spring together. Very important. Don't forget your parts. Alright, there we go. Oh, where'd my hammer go? I guess is it outside somewhere. I don't like using my steel hammer on my screwdrivers. Not how I like doing it. Okay. So that head's all back together, ready to go on the bike. One down. One more to go. Exhaust is over here. Don't forget the collar again. Out of my way. Maybe a little better view over here, I'm not sure. Collar. Okay. Check our valves for torque. Keepers are in there. Good. Alright, so there we go on that. This is the rear of the front. This is the rear head. So this is the compression release that was in here. So go ahead and screw this in right now before we forget. There we go. I gotta torque it down a little bit. It's be hard to do with just a head here, but it's tight. Pull the plug out. There's a tool here. There you go. Wrap that up like that, out of the way a little bit, and we'll deal with that later. Okay, so this head's ready to go onto a bike, on the motor at some point. Not this minute though. Okay, this one here. Let's see, this one came off this way. Okay, where's the other compression release? Over here. Here's our other one. Okay, I'm gonna fish it up through the tool here. And we gotta tighten this one up also.
Tatro, is that my other jug right here on the...
Give me a minute, give me a minute. Okay, last thing you do is put the silicone cap over here. Seals up the top of the compression release here on a Harley. Shove it on down like that. And there you go. Alright, that's it for now on these. Be back.